girl, have you have it. Have you have it, girl, have you have it. Anyway you set it, they done up.
Welcome back, guys. So today, as you can see, I'm just starting off with customizing this wig. Yes, you guys saw this wig just the other day. It's the Yaki Bob Hairstyle Indian Remy hair glueless lace front wig, and as you can see, I really wanted to just experiment with it, and I decided to make it a shorter bob. So initially the length of this wig is 14 inches long, and it's 100% Indian Remy hair. It's of a natural color, the texture is yaki, and it's a 4.5 inch parting lace front wig cap. All right, I definitely just went ahead. I started off with it wet because I washed it and I wanted to cut it in this state. Before I started with cutting and all of that, I decided to go ahead and make a center part, because initially this wig didn't come with a parting. It is just like a free part lace front, so I decided to do a center part today. I don't always do a center part, so yeah, took my time with that, and I pretty much just got everything in place. And then I got my scissors or clippers, whatever you want to call it, and I took my time and just cut this all the way around, and yeah, to my liking. Just made sure I had a steady hand. I proceeded to take in the blow dryer, and I love this step because it makes, if you're going for a sleek straight look, then when you have your hair wet and then you proceed to blow drying it, instead of having it air dry and then just flat iron, I feel like the blow dry portion really get it super straight and help it to be like bone straight. And also I wanted the scalp portion to lay really flat, so I just kind of hold the blow dry in a downward motion, and I have the comb like going through the hair at the same time, so this helps to really make the hair bone straight and lay really flat. So this part was really important. So after I'm done with blow drying, I proceeded to just flat ironing, and yeah, I actually added some layers at the front portion, you know, the bangs, you know, I didn't really bump it or anything, but I really wanted to add some layer so, you know, it could frame my face a little better when I go ahead and apply it. I proceed to just taking some hairspray and then a hot comb, and this even helps to further lay the scalp portion or the lace portion or the portion closer to the roots, so it looks really flat and looks like it's growing from your scalp, and that's what you want. So I just went right around the wig with the hot comb and got every single strand of hair in place. I went ahead, applied to my head, and this is how it's looking. So I didn't do the ball cap method today, which I've been doing a lot since lately. I just took my Got to Be freezing spray and applied that, and I did very light baby hairs in the front, nothing super noticeable. That was it. The flow in this hair is absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love it. It is so neat. I love the neat look that it had, you know, it's really nice. So that's pretty much it. And also, if you're interested in getting this or any other wig you've ever seen me wear, guys, the discount codes to use is SUE15 and PETITE-10. You can go ahead and, you know, check out this wig or any other wig on my customized hair page on rpghair.com. It will be linked down below in the description box. All the necessary information as well will be down there, so check that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I hope this helped you guys out. I hope it was informative enough. If it was, give the video a thumb up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye. Bye!